Wish me luck. Ooh, vlogging on my phone right now. So guys, we're here. We're about to do the video. I forgot that I was supposed to be doing a vlog, like a behind the scenes vlog. So I'm here with Joel. Yeah, put up your mask. Put up your mask. Weird. And I'm here with Mathu Campbell. Let me switch over to my camera. Hey y'all. Switch over.
Campbell actually had signal.
Yeah, apparently that's happening. When did it happen?
Yesterday?
Guys, that's Mathu.
Or tomorrow?
Yeah, that's Mathu.
Oh, hey guys.
It's already recorded.
It's been a while since I've held the camera. It's Sadara over here. How you doing? It's really good to see Sadara. This is really light.
Mathu came not too long ago.
This is really light.
Yeah.
I miss light setups. We have Joel over here. Hello Joel. How you doing?
Mathu just took the vlog and like just instantly started doing.
I mean, it's been a while since the vlog. So guys, we're out here with Shamar Krause.
Please remember, yes, it's my channel. Go check out Mathu's channel.
Yeah, I've kind of stole his camera.
Wave Sadara. Wave. Just wave. Outside. Literally outside of the park. We have to come outside out here to start taking the pictures because we're not too sure about how inside is looking as it relates to taking the pictures, because they said no commercial photography or whatever, and Mathu has a pretty big camera, so I don't think they're going to allow us to really take pictures in there without paying, and I think the fee is like $2 grand. I mean, none of that. So we have them over here setting up now. This is not too set up. Pretty advanced. 90 card. On over here, so. Yeah. So we're gonna take one along here, take another over there, and I don't know where else we'll take pics. Oh, I have my little camera right here. Say cheese.
I mean, you're supposed to go first, you know.
Oh, you want to do it like that?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'll just be here and you go first.
So I gotta go first. This is my shot that I'm gonna try and take. Just any pose you want, man.
We're taking 3. So we're gonna see what has on its stage. Once again, see what Alex tomorrow brings to the table.
This is how they turned out, y'all. Let me show them on the vlog. Alright. Oh, you zoom in? Yeah, that's fine. I like that. Look. You guys, you need to follow at Shot by Mathu right now because he's working it. He's working it. And I hope these are not for the video but for his own Instagram page. Because these shots where he's getting 10 times better than what me can think of or get. Yo, people are going to they're going to just diss you in the comments because of how you're wearing the mask right now.
Come on, man, the mask is slipping.
Y'all, I tried. You guys would have already seen who won, but I'm pretty sure that Mathu is going to win this. Pretty sure. Wish me luck. I have a better idea. Gotta take a picture of the Shockman truck in the background. Quiet. I realize somebody's in the truck. Someone don't know. Where is it?
Let's take it to the courtyard.
Take it like this?
Off the courtyard.
Off the courtyard?
Yeah, it's fine.
Let me get it from that angle too, yeah. Yeah. This is how it looks. This is how you look.
Yo.
I hope you guys are able to see me. The sun is, yeah. Anyways, we just wrapped, but Matthew and Sadara are still at it. Where?
Now, what you find so funny? What is it?
Yeah, even though we just wrapped. But yeah, this is for the vlog still, the behind the scenes vlog. I think that's it for us for now.
You know what vlogs I have to edit?
How much?
A lot.
So when I edit them?
I can't bother. That's one client done, the next client starts.
I like how Sadara is naturally a model.
Yes, just
Like just naturally a model. Honestly. You ready? Alright. So hey guys, Shamar Castle here, welcome. You can tell me action, you know.
We started.
Alright. So yeah, so the first picture is going to be taken out here along this scene because yeah, I'm not sure why. No, don't cut it. You don't have to stop it. I'll just keep going. Let me try and collect what I'm supposed to be saying. Alright, so we just finished taking the first set of shots. The wind. Alright. The next set of shots gotta be Alright, so we're going to move those stuff. Alright.